Danielle and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am sharing 4 ridiculously easy holiday hairstyles for shoulder length or medium hair. But before I get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button below so that you never ever miss an update. Okay, so today we are talking holiday hairstyles for shoulder or medium length hair. I am not a professional hairstylist, and the good news is you don't have to be one either. All of these 4 hairstyles that I'm gonna show you today are super easy to achieve. They basically just require a couple of different hair accessories. This way you can wear your shoulder or medium length hair in cute ways throughout the holiday season. I prefer to start all of these holiday hairstyles with wavy hair. I feel like it just adds a bit of something, a little more texture and volume to the style. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl that now. If only curling your hair was that easy. I use this flat iron from GHD. I have a full tutorial on how I get my flat iron waves, so I will link that here in case you want to get the same style. Obviously, you can curl your hair however you'd like for these holiday hairstyles. In general, I just prefer like a loose, beachy wave situation. Like I mentioned earlier in this video, all of these holiday hairstyles for shoulder length hair are super easy. You probably have a couple of these hair accessories already in your vanity drawer, but basically it's just ribbon, barrettes, things like that. I didn't want any of these holiday hairstyles to be overwhelming because then I feel like you would just stress out during an already stressful time, and we don't need that. Today's first easy holiday hairstyle that I'm going to show you is this feminine ponytail with a cute little velvet ribbon in the back. This is a little messy, very effortless, and all you're gonna need is your hair tie, some texturizing spray, and of course, some velvet ribbon.
Start by pulling your hair into a low ponytail at the base of your neck or right around the lower ear area. Take your texture spray and spray it on the top part of your head right above your hair tie. After you've done that, start pulling the hairs at the ponytail part of your head. As you pull these hairs, your ponytail will lift, creating a small bit of volume right where you sprayed your texture spray. Keep pulling your ponytail up until it's about at the middle of your head, or if you turn to the side, it should be level with the top of your ear. Pull out a couple of strands along the front, then tuck them behind your ears for an unfussy, undone look. Don't forget to take your velvet ribbon and tie it into a bow for your minimal but festive holiday ponytail.
The next easy holiday hairstyle is this half up, half down look. My hair is fastened in the back with a gold barrette, but then I pulled out some of the strands so that my hair was just looser all around the crown. I feel like this is giving off like ethereal angel vibes for the holiday season. You'll only need 2 items for this easy holiday hairstyle, a barrette and some hairspray.
First, section off 2 pieces along the front of your head. Each section should just go from the root to above the eyebrow area. You don't need to pull an entire front section of your hair. Take those 2 pieces and pull them toward the back of your head. You're also going to want to grab some hair at the crown in the back of your head. This is to give some grip to your barrette so that it's not too heavy for your hair and falls out. Once you've fastened your barrette, feel free to pull at some of the front areas on your head just to loosen things up so that it doesn't feel too fussy. Finish with hairspray so that everything stays in place.
All right, we have major volume on this next holiday hairstyle with some funky embellished bobby pins. I promise you, it's actually not that hard to get volume here. You just need texturizing spray, hairspray, and a comb that you can tease your hair with.
Using your comb, create a deep side part to section off your hair. Be sure to spray some dry texturizing spray along the roots of both sectioned off areas. This will provide grip in your hair and will help your hair maintain its volume. Then take your comb and tease the root of your natural part. After you do that, flip your hair over so that you have a high glam side part. Hairspray everything in place, and then on the flat side where you created your side part, Fasten 3 embellished bobby pins to finish your holiday look.
The last and final hairstyle is this updo with a headband. It's sort of messy, sort of Queen Elizabeth inspired. This is probably the most advanced out of all 4 of these holiday hairstyles today. For this hairstyle, you're going to need hairspray, bobby pins, lots of them, and a glittery little headband.
First, section off your hair into 2 different sides, almost as if you were starting 2 French braids. On the first section, take a small portion of hair and start rolling it away from your face right around the temple area. Continue rolling your hair away from your face, and as it moves down your head, grab a little more hair into that roll and keep going, all the way until the back of your head. Once you've reached the back of your head, grab a handful of bobby pins and secure your hair to the back of your head right around the nape of your neck. Then, repeat the same rolling motion on your hair on the opposite side. Once the second section meets the back of the first section of your hair, you're going to want to tuck one piece into the other so that they almost cross into each other. Then fasten with more bobby pins. Add your holiday headband and then pull at the rolled sections on the front of your head to give a more loosened up romantic look. Finish with hairspray if desired.
So there you have it, 4 super easy holiday hairstyles for shoulder length or medium hair. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you try out any of these hairstyles on your own, be sure to let me know in the comments. Bye!